Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to send logs in Telegram. If you're experiencing issues with the app or need to report a problem, sending logs can be helpful for developers to diagnose and troubleshoot the issue. We'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your Telegram account. Step 2. Look for the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner of the app. Tap on these lines to access the main menu. Step 3. From the main menu, find and tap on Settings. Scroll down until you reach the section where the app's version is located. Step 4. Tap and hold on the app's version. After holding it for a moment, tap and hold on it again. This action will trigger the appearance of a menu called the Debug menu. Step 5. Within the Debug menu, locate and tap on Enable Logs. Enabling logs will allow the app to generate and store logs for troubleshooting purposes. Step 6. Now tap on Send Logs from the Debug menu that just appeared. This action will send the logs to the Telegram developers, providing them with valuable information to investigate any issues you may be facing. By following these simple steps, you can easily send logs in Telegram and contribute to improving the app's performance and stability. Thank you for watching, and happy troubleshooting.